Papa of Papa's page, and today for Cast Iron Wednesday we're cooking split pea soup. Today for our split pea soup we will be using split peas, chicken broth, bay leaves, salt and pepper, onions, olive oil, baby carrots, celery, bacon, and garlic. I think I'm ready to start. I've got everything cut up. We've started warming the Dutch oven some. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in it. Then I'm going to put the onions in. Going to cook the onions a little bit and then we'll put the bacon in. Okay, in goes the bacon. Okay, the bacon's looking pretty done. I'm going to see if I can spoon some of the bacon grease out. Okay, next I'm going to pour in the chicken broth. Some garlic. Five and a half more cups of water. Okay, split peas can go in. And the carrots and celery. Couple bay leaves. A little bit of pepper. Okay, we'll heat it up to a boil. We're close to it. And then we'll turn it down to a simmer. Well, we got it boiling pretty good. So now we'll turn it down and come stir it every few minutes and let it simmer. The vegetables are soft now, so I can mash them when I stir the soup in order to make it thicker. There's the second bay leaf. We need to take it out. And I think it's cooked long enough. It's been probably an hour and a half. And we'll spoon some up. And then we'll let it sit and cool off while I relocate the camera. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it too. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. It's really good. I wish I knew how much salt to put in the pot instead of putting it on each bowl, but it tastes really good. Thank you for watching.